In my child's book, I'm going to be reading All My Friends Are Dead by Avery Monson and Jory John. All my friends are dead. All my friends are dead. Most of my friends are dead, said the old man. What? Oh, that's sad. Now all my friends are dead. All my friends are end tables, said the tree. I was never friends with this guy. Dang it, poor little tree. All my friends are hoaxes, said the abominable snowman. I sort of resent that, by the way. All my friends are undead. All my friends are bread. I have 3,284 friends. I've just never met any of them face to face. All my friends are Phil. Doug says, thanks, Doug. The only ship we need is a friendship, huh, Phil? Aw, poor Phil. Just wishes he could get off the island. All my friends are obsolete, said the cassette tape. Only one of my friends has recently gone missing. Probably in the dryer. Hey there, little fellow, will you be my friend? Said the tree to the squirrel. I'd rather not. Carlos told me you got mono. This is my worst day, said the tree. All my friends expired on Tuesday. All my friends have scurvy. Yar. All my friends are terrifying, said the clown. Scary little clown. I've already made 2 children cry today. Oh no. All my friends are so last season, said the new handbag. All my friends are dummies. At least he has a friend. All my friends are puddles, said the snowman as the summer started coming round. All my friends are Kentucky Fried, said the chicken. Yum. All my friends are delicious, said the human to the chicken. Please stop buying my friends if you're just going to slowly kill them. Gotta take care of your potted plants, Mom. All my friends are followers, said the sheep. Where are we going? Said the rest of the sheep to the leader. No one ever knows. None of my friends will speak to me, said the mime. All my friends will be dead within 24 hours, said the poor little housefly. This job makes me feel so alive, says the Grim Reaper. Howdy, old man. Sometimes I feel alone. Some days are long and hard. But when I look out in the world, I'm struck by the impossible beauty of it all. Throwing billions of magnificent accidents that led us to where we are today, that led us to paper planes and nautilus shells and the tiny crooked smiles of children. When I think about all the small perfections of the world, I have faith that my time will come. I have faith that someday a warm light will flood over me and I will find my place, said the tree. Oh look, a lumberjack! Aww. Now he's with his not-friend coffee table, and he's still not his friend. And that is All My Friends Are Dead by Avery Monson and Jory Johnson, and it's one of my son's favorite books to read.